Having issues rolling my windows up and down. The driver's side was always working fine. The passenger side, I wasn't able to roll it down or draw it down, I don't know, whatever you call it. It would go up. And then I started having issues with this back window. So I figured I would just order the replacement buttons and board. They're not too expensive. It's about under 20 on eBay, somewhere in the $10, $15 range. But then I figured, well, you know what? Let me just take it all apart, see what's going on with the board. And sure enough, this is the passenger side. Let's see if I can get in here with the camera. Oh, well. So this one had some corrosion on it. Just had a little bit of stuff on top. And then this is the back window. And sure enough, this one down here, the down, was also having a little layer of stuff. So it wasn't allowing it to make contact when you pressed on the little pad here. This pad that makes contact, that pushes the buttons down. So I scraped it off with this knife, and now I'm going to put it all back together and test it out. Let's see. So I've put everything back together now, obviously. Got the panel and the handle and everything's all where it should be. So, driver's side window, up and down. This is the one that was always giving me a problem. I was never able to lower the passenger side window. Now I can. And raising it was kind of hit and miss. Sometimes it would, sometimes it wouldn't. But now, consistently up and down, up and down. Perfect. And of course the back windows as well. Got that one. Yep. And then that one. Alrighty. Problem solved. JVC Engineering to the rescue.